It's time for our nursing tip of the week, and in this week's tip, I thought we could talk about how to study meds for pharmacology. We're bringing it back to nursing school, okay? I was in nursing school 10 years ago, all right? So these are some of the things that I did when I was in nursing school, studying all of my pharmacology meds. Pharmacology was like one of those subjects that was super overwhelming. Like anyone that took it was like scared to death that they were gonna fail. And same, I was like, this is overwhelming, but let me share exactly what I did. My nursing school friends and I, we would all sit down and we would come up with creative names for the common groups of medications. For example, the ending for calcium channel blockers is dipene, and we memorize this by thinking, okay, calcium is in milk, and we like to dip cookies in milk. So dipene, calcium channel blockers. We did this for so many meds, and honestly, it helped so much with like just the memorization aspect of the endings of the different types of meds. We would also make up mnemonics or different abbreviations and just creative ways that would help us memorize all these meds. So I'm curious if any of you have made up any of these creative things and can comment them down below to help out other people that are currently studying meds, so we can kind of like, help each other out. Besides making things like fun and creative, I would try to just memorize like 4 to 5 different medication groups a day. So that way I wasn't super overwhelmed with learning like dozens and dozens of these meds. And I'm gonna be real with you, okay? When you're in nursing school, you have to learn all these different medication types and blah, 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 and study to pass your test and study to pass the NCLEX. Great. Okay. But the real world of nursing, once you get to your job, you are going to have that foundation from nursing school, but you're going to be able to expand upon all those different types of medications, and you're going to see the same meds over and over and over and over and over again. So that way it's just going to be ingrained in your brain for forever. Also, to kind of ease your mind, most charting systems, when you have a medication that's due, you can click on it or right click or whatever and bring up like a reference manual to view all the types of those medications, all the symptoms, side effects, anticipated effect, how long it is supposed to act for, half-life, all of that. So don't stress too much. Of course, you need to pass your tests and you need to pass the NCLEX, you need to become a nurse, but once you get to your area of nursing, you're going to be okay, and it's going to be a lot easier to just like have all those meds ingrained in your brain for whatever area of nursing you go into. Okay, that's our nursing tip of the week. Hope it helps.